Hey, I'm Fish. Are you interested in to know how exactly timer shooting works with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro? If you watch this video, this is exactly how DJI made it to work. I'm going to show you step by step the best I can do so you can understand how it's going to operate every single time. Let's get started. It's 1932 and 5:10 seconds. Over here it says it's 03:10:11. I'm going to do this at now, 03:11. I want to back out and show you the timer shooting's actual time as we go. So here we are opening up, hitting the switch. Notice it's 33 seconds, 25 seconds. We're off by 5 seconds. So we are 3:11 matching the time code. And what I want to do now is I want to go into the 3. If you would do 2, then that would equal to 3, but it doesn't do that. So let's not complicate this right now. Let's go to 3:13, 3:14. And come back at 3:14 and see if this goes off. And that'd be in 2 minutes time. Okay, as I'm solving the problem here, we got the thing to go. So I'm gonna try to figure this out one more time. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop it. And I'm going to do this one more time. The actual time is 7:35. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to go down to the timer record, timer shooting, open it up, and we are on 3:14. We're going to go for 3:16. And then we have our problem solved, meaning that this is the time code. That is the time that the timer shooting is going to go off. Now, I did not set my time up to the official time that we go by, 7:36, 1936. I set my clock up to the time stamp, and that is located in the camera, above and below the time and the timer record, the date and time. In 45 seconds, this should go off again. And there we go. Now, let me show you what we did here to get this to work. I swipe down. I go to the cog gear. I go not to the timer shooting. I go to the time code. And in the time code, it's 3:16. That is a time we need to set to. 3:16. Let me back out. Let me go to the date and time, and you see it's 3:16. If you come in here and you set it to 3:16, you're going to have a problem. It's going to go to 4:16. So you go down to 2:16, and now you're set up to 3:16. Now we go all the way up to the timer shooting. I apologize if I passed it by. And we open it and we set it up. We're on 3:17, so we're going to go to 33:19, and we're going to wait a minute and a half. And then the next test will be is to shut the camera off, and we'll be good to go. And there we go, problem solved. So we're going to stop it. We're going to set it up again. Time of shooting. Open up. And we do it for 3:22. And we're going to shut the camera off this time. We see our camera disconnected from the application. It is in the off state. There is no standby whatsoever. And we're going to see if the camera timer shooting works. 2 minutes time. We should have the camera just about coming on. If it doesn't come on by 7:43, then you know you need to have the camera in the on stage, and it must not shut down.